Hello, friends. Happy Sunday morning. A lot of you who are avid CVS shoppers, Christmas or their holiday stuff hit 75% off, and the candy's a generous 50. Thank you to the freebie guy for posting this first thing this morning over on Instagram. That's where I got the information. I don't shop at CVS because the closest one, well, it's a 4-hour drive return, and I'm not about that. I just don't. It's that's why I don't shop there. Because of the fact that the one store that they have in the region is like, really far away from me. And since I could only get there on cross country skis, that's why I barely go there. But anyhow, I know a lot of you have a lot of CVS's where you're living. Go out there sooner than later because the stuff will probably get cleared. They often have really nice Christmas merch over there. Hey guys, so if you go to the coupons.com app and hopefully you're using it, they have a free offer for one free Lara bar. How great is that? So over at Walgreens, the Lara bar is $1.79. The apple pie one is my favorite. So if you've ever been curious about it, I would try that one. It tastes like a piece of apple pie. So grabbing one for $1.79, you would pay for that and then make a submission for $2.29 to the coupons.com app. So it makes it free plus a 50-cent money maker. This is one per coupons.com account. And if you have no idea about the coupons.com account, I will leave a video at the very end on a basic tutorial on how to use the app. They often have freebies like once a month, so definitely an app you should be using, especially if you don't get manufacturer coupons. It's just a way for you to have a little bit of success with, some just coupon deals and little freebies like this one. To answer a quick question, I would leave a balance on your receipt if you're going to use your Walgreens cash to pay this down. Sometimes if the receipt is at zero, the coupons.com app will say you didn't pay anything for it. So just to save you a bit of stress, you need a balance of at least you're paying something for this purchase. And basically, guys, what happens is you buy the item. And then after it is approved, it's usually like a day or so later, that amount of $2.29 will be deposited into your PayPal account. There's no limit, like you need $20 or something. It's like right away, even for these smaller amounts. So how fantastic is that? Okay, so the next deal that we're going to talk about is with the Scott's toilet paper. This guy is $5 on the nose. Now, it's on a buy one, get one 50% off, so hopefully your store will allow you to buy two of these. Fingers and toes crossed. But you know what? At most stores, there's a ton of this. Like, it's not as scarce as it was a couple months back. But this is an item I would be stocking up on. As you can see, the promotion for this week is buy one, get one 50% off at a price point of $5. So basically for two guys, that's $7.50. We have this wonderful dollar digital coupon that showed up this morning. Load it right away. Even if you're going to go do this deal later in the week, just load it right now. Stop the video and go and load it right now. But then over on the coupons.com app, there's also another dollar. And because we're buying two, the second one that doesn't have a manufacturer coupon, you're going to get that dollar back. See how that works? So just looking at this as a basic deal, grabbing two of those two of the toilet papers, I was going to call them toothpaste, that's $7.50. Subtracting that dollar digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $6.50 out of pocket. Then you're going to make a dollar submission to the coupons.com app. The final price point here is $5.50 for the two, or $2.75 each, which is not too shabby for a product that you should be stocking up on, especially if you're a couponer. Okay, now I think this is the smartest way to do the deal. Let's combine the Scott and the Lara bar together. So two Scott's toilet paper, that's $7.50 on the nose. One Lara bar is $1.79. So the total for your basket is $9.29. We have the dollar digital for the toilet paper, plus we're going to use $5 of Walgreens cash. You're going to be left with paying $3.29 out of pocket. That's your balance. And then you're getting back $1 from coupons.com plus $2.29. That's $3.29. Final price point is called winning. And yes, it is a loss of $5 of Walgreens cash, because a lot of people will say in the comments of, this isn't an accurate thing, whatever. I think it's super smart if you consider that toilet paper is just one of those meat and potatoes items, and it doesn't go bad, and it's really a smart thing to stock up on. I think this is a very smart use of $5 of Walgreens cash in concert with the coupons.com app. So again, guys, if you're not sure about the coupons.com app, or you're like, oh, this is just another thing I got to learn, I made a very easy video, a basic tutorial, how to download it, how to use it, how to have a lot of success. And even at $3.29, that will be just thrown into your PayPal account, and you will be laughing all the way to the bank or your PayPal account with $3.29. Do this deal this week. It's absolutely fantastic. My haul will be later today. I'm having some issues with some basement construction stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, I think you might know what I'm talking about. But the video will be later today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.